Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Dear Huzur, I have a short question. How can a Muslim free their heart from hate? Jazakumullah.
You see, we are the followers of the Prophet, who is the last of the prophets, and whose heart was free of all such type of evils and bad things and hatred. Even Hazrat Masih Islam has come in this age as the subordinate prophet of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And he said, I have come in this age to bring mankind closer to their Creator, and secondly, to make them realize their duties towards their fellow beings. So, and he says that he cannot discharge these duties until and unless our hearts are pure. And there should not be any enmity, animosity, jealousy in our hearts. And if that be the case, then we can discharge our duties towards each other. Right? So always for that, even, yes, you are right, that this target we cannot achieve on our own. We have to seek Allah's help, right, for this. And for that you pray to Allah Ta'ala in your 5-time daily prayers. Allah Ta'ala purifies your heart and remove all the hatred from your heart for any person, right? And then this is why Hazrat Masih Islam says that try to achieve this habit of forgiveness, right? And there should not be any hatred in your heart for any person. So we say istighfar for it. Always say istighfar, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, and then pray in your 5 daily prayers that Allah Ta'ala remove all type of evil things and hatred from your heart for any other person. Okay?
Jazakallah. Okay. Jazakallah Huzur.
Jazakallah.